सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हर इंडस्ट्री की आई वुड से कि अगर एक जॉनरा वर्क करे, एवरीवनस बिहाइंड दैट कि ये जॉनरा वर्क कर रहा है, चलो एक्शन वर्क कर रहा है, एक्शन
यही
बना।
बनाते हैं हाँ।
इम्तियाज अली सर की मूवीज इसके सबसे बड़ा एग्जांपल है। लैला मजनू, रॉकस्टार,
know.
they were flops at their time. They did not earn much.
PR culture is too much right now, right? पहले के ज़माने में कहाँ होते थे?
Yeah.
Do you find it as an absolute necessary since you guys have just stepped into the industry? I just visualized Mihir in the role of Shah Rukh Khan.
I don't turn blind eye to it. If I see it कि किसी ने इज्जत से फीडबैक दिया है तो उसको मैं लूंगी, और किसी ने गाली दी है तो मैं उसको अपने घर पे पलट के गाली दूंगी, खुश रह लूंगी. Yes, I keep avoiding red flags and my standards go below my heels when I just meet the person. Before that, it's very
like
that.
yeah.
Radio Nasha.
Hi, this is Sheetal. You are watching Radio Nasha. पहले आपने सुना होगा कि लोग रोटी, कपड़ा और मकान के लिए कमाते थे, लेकिन times have changed because Gen Z का ज़माना है. Right now, it's प्यार, पैसा and profit. Let's welcome the team. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you feeling?
Very good.
All good.
Mihir, thank you so much for doing this. I have to really thank you.
No,
Please
no,
take
that's
care of
fine.
yourself.
Yeah.
But I want to start off by asking you guys that dwelling into your character itself, what is that one similarity that you think you have personally with your individual characters?
I think Garima is equally dumb in love, as I just said. So yeah, she keeps avoiding red flags. I keep avoiding red flags, and my standards go below my heels when I just meet the person. Before that, it's very
like
that.
yeah. But it's good to be dumb in love, right? Because
Yes,
people
वहाँ दिमाग नहीं लगाना होता,
हाँ,
simple.
सिर्फ प्यार करना होता है, जैसे शाहरुख करते थे, right?
से अभी भी करते हैं।
करते हैं,
सबको।
sorry, yeah.
So I would say one similarity between me and my character Vijit is his love for his family and how he's dreaming for himself and his family to give them a better lifestyle. So that's one similarity I would say, but differences बहुत है हमारे. He takes the wrong path and he realizes sooner or later, which I would never take in my profession or in my life rather. Yeah, so ये differences ज़्यादा, similarities कम है I would say.
Navish, I want to ask you that content creator, RJ content creator to now to the movies, right? क्या transition रही है आपके लिए? Do you find it as a big difference, or you're like it's okay, camera is the same, right? Whether it's the big screen camera or a small screen camera, what's your take on
it's
it?
not the same. So content creation is very different. आप घर पे 10 take ले सकते हैं. वहाँ पे आप 4 लोगों के सामने खड़े हैं, पूरा क्रू, पूरे पैसे, आप प्रोड्यूसर भी हैं तो आपको ये भी पता है कि इस सेट में बहुत बजट लगा हुआ है बेचारों का, तो आप 10 टेक लेके पूरा दिन नहीं खराब कर सकते उनका. एंड यू हैव टू परफॉर्म इन फ्रंट ऑफ सो मेनी पीपल. और ना बड़ी स्क्रीन पे और बड़े कैमरा पे ना सब सच पता लग जाता है.
हाँ, वो तो है.
So to be yourself in content creation is very different to be a real character in a movie or web show.
Yeah.
And I would like to add कि content creation में अगर जैसे मैं भी reels देखता हूँ या कुछ देखता हूँ तो उसमें it's very instant, 10-15 seconds में आपको लोगों को खुश करना है. तो you can ham in that, you can overact in that, you can do comedy in that.
Right.
But अगर film और या web series as a whole देखो, so बड़े पर्दे पे या web shows में less is more.
Yeah.
So आप जितना कम करो आपका एक blink count होता है.
True.
So it's very important to stay as natural and subtle as possible. So it is different, I would say.
Different, yeah. Can you share a memory that you have maybe from the first day that you went on a set? Were you like nervous or something?
Did we shoot together on the first day?
Yes.
You have to tell us the
My
story.
first day we shot together. I don't know about your first day. If it was your first day.
Yeah.
On my first day we did that mummy papa wala scene.
I started way before her, I
Okay.
guess. Yeah. I had already shot for like 4-5 days.
Haan. So my first day, we shot together and camera on hua, I thought I'll feel very nervous and anxious, but somehow camera on hua and it was
हाँ,
like
but
a
Mihir था साथ में तो comfortable.
of course when your co-actor is good, it's
Right.
easy for you to work. क्योंकि सामने वाला ओवर एक्टिंग करता है या फिर सामने वाला चला ही जाता है वॉकआउट करके और आपको एक ड्यूप या कुछ ऐसा डंडी की तरफ देख के बोलने को बोला जाता है जिसके कोई इमोशंस और एक्सप्रेशन नहीं आ रहे तो आपको मुश्किल होता है. बट इफ योर को-एक्टर इज वर्किंग नाइसली, लाइक नवाज सर को हमने सेट पे दिखा है, जब वो डायलॉग बोलते हैं सामने वाले के लिए ऐसे इजी हो जाता है. सो वहाँ जाते ही ना यू फील दैट कंफर्ट हैंड. सो इट वाज वेरी कंफर्टेबल फॉर मी व्हेन द कैमरा स्टार्टेड, व्हेन द कैमरा रोल्ड. मुझे लगा था मुझे बहुत एंजाइटी होगी, बट इट वाज नॉट लाइक दैट.
She was fab.
Yeah.
She's fab, seriously.
Can't wait to watch it. I have to tell you that the trailer looks so different, and I think it's a much needed change that we need right now, because with all the things that are happening. But as new age actors, tell me something. What is your take on all the re-releases working right now, but the actual films are not really doing that well on the box office, right?
Re-releases, or you're talking about the second parts?
No, re-releases. Like we saw
Re-releases.
Andaz Apna Apna re-release, Jab We Met re-release.
I think, I mean, it's good to re-release these classics, but what's not working, we should work on that. No one's working towards that. They're trying to, but somehow they're failing. सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हर इंडस्ट्री की, आई वुड से, कि अगर एक जॉनरा वर्क करे, एवरीवनस बिहाइंड दैट कि ये जॉनरा वर्क कर रहा है, चलो एक्शन वर्क कर रहा है, एक्शन
यही
बनाते
बनाते हैं, हाँ.
हैं, which is not true in a way. I think audience को वैरायटी चाहिए.
Correct.
And they need good scripts, good stories. ऐसी कहानी तो कि देखकर आपका दिल छू
दिल
जाए,
खुश हो जाए. Yeah.
दिल खुश हो जाए, and you just leaving the cinema hall in a trance.
Correct.
Cinema is trance. I mean, it
Absolutely.
just takes you to a different zone.
Zone. Yeah.
So I think we are missing
That
good
touch
stories somewhere.
probably,
And I know we'll recover soon.
Yeah.
Film
I think
industry
it's
is
a
going through
phase.
that curve.
Curve, yeah.
And वो हर बार आता है, हर
Correct.
10 साल में आता है एक बार, वो भी recover हो जाएगा.
True, I agree.
So re-releases better work कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि वो तभी भी उतने अच्छे थे और आज भी उतने ही अच्छे लग रहे हैं इतने टाइम बाद.
Yeah.
अच्छी मूवीज आ ही नहीं रही हैं तो लोग पुरानी के पास वापस जा रहे हैं. एंड इम्तियाज अली सर की मूवीज इसके सबसे बड़ा एग्जांपल है. लैला मजनू, रॉकस्टार,
know.
they
Oh
were
my
flops at their time. They did not
Yeah.
earn much.
Much, correct.
Not flops exactly, but
Yeah.
they did not earn much and
Right.
they were misunderstood also. But
But
आज
now,
के टाइम
yeah,
पे वो
and-
डायलॉग्स जो आपको हिट करते हैं,
He
the
is too
character
ahead
you
of his
leave
times.
with. Yes.
Exactly.
He was
That's the
ahead
thing.
of his
Very
time.
ahead of its time. Yeah. You know, ऐसी classics की बात हो रही है, तो talk to me about the kind of films that you grew up watching. 90s
full
kid, right?
Bollywood,
Both of you?
yes, yes.
Yeah.
So
मैं तो स्कूल से आता था, अपने बैग साइड में रखकर शूज उतार कर अखियों से गोली मारे,
अरे.
सारे गोविंदा कादर खान फिल्म्स में देखकर मैं बड़ा हुआ हूँ.
And for you?
a lot of Saif Ali Khan and Rani Mukherjee and
हम
Preeti
तुम
Zinta,
and all of that, yeah.
हम तुम,
कल हो ना
और
हो.
हाँ, मुझसे
Yeah,
दोस्ती करोगे.
उफ यार.
Oof.
वाले.
That
वो
era, I
pictures
think, is
कितनी भी
so
बार में देख
good.
सकती हो.
That's true. That's true. You know, and Radio Nasha is a retro station, so
Oh.
we play only music from 70s, 80s, 90s till 2008. So the kind of movies that we've grown up watching, that's all about Radio Nasha, right? But who has been your favorite actor? Someone's filmography that you love, maybe from the retro years.
I would say Ranbir Kapoor now, and also Govinda.
Yeah.
I mean, he had such variety of roles in his career. He's done some amazing roles. He was so good in comedy.
Yeah.
And but Ranbir Kapoor currently, and I mean, he's he's a fabulous actor, and I
Yeah.
love him. So I really look up to his craft, whatever he does.
Yeah. Govinda was so different, like the way he dances and the comedy and all of that.
Proper family entertainer.
To which movie of his do you love the most? I know it's a difficult question, but
I've already said like that's my favorite film. Akhiyon
The
Se Goli
Akhiyon Se
Mari.
Goli
That's my
Mari.
Govinda's
Okay.
favorite film.
okay.
I loved Amir Khan a lot.
Yeah.
Like
What
I-
about him do you love the most?
he was and he is a perfectionist, I think. And छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो little nuances that he do in between his acting, मुझे वो बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. बहुत छोटी छोटी सी चीज़ें, बहुत detailed and
Detail,
real.
yeah. Perfectionist
Yes.
है.
Yeah.
He is a
Favorite film
perfectionist.
कौन सी है आमिर खान?
अंदाज अपना अपना.
Yeah. Oh God. Did you guys go and watch it during the re-release?
I don't नहीं अभी रिलीज में नहीं देखा,
नहीं,
मौका नहीं
re-release
मिला.
में मैंने भी नहीं.
चलते प्लान बनाते हैं.
हाँ,
मैं
yes.
आशीष.
मुझे भी
Actually.
बुला लेना
हाँ
please.
जी हाँ जी बिल्कुल.
Done.
You know, for you, I want to ask you that being directed by Zoya, right? Is there something that you learned on her sets and you still carry forward in any project that you do?
I mean, we had lots of workshops, but on set, she's the calmest person I've
Oh, yeah?
ever met. I mean, set ऊपर से नीचे हो जाए, delay हो जाए, but she'll be so calm. And she was our mother on set. She used to love us like anything.
So cool.
And kabhi harsh nahi hona hum par. And so that's one thing I really liked about her as a director. And this was my second time working with her.
Yeah.
Made in Heaven season 2 was the
Yes.
first time. And मुझे वहीं पर I got to know her and about her nature as a human being. She's really sweet, and I think that's वो love we are lacking somewhere everywhere in the world. So I think people should be more loving.
More love, yeah, that's
Yeah.
true. That's so true, yeah. You know, I want to ask you, the two of you, that there's so much that's happening on social media, right? For the two of you as new age actors, do these negative comments or hate bother you, or you turn a blind eye to it?
It bothers me. But I don't turn blind eye to it. If I see it कि किसी ने इज्जत से फीडबैक दिया है तो उसको मैं लूंगी, और किसी ने गाली दी है तो मैं उसको अपने घर पे पलट के गाली दूंगी और खुश रह लूंगी. ये है मेरा.
Nice.
Yeah, I always say social media is like a yin yang. There are
Yeah.
positives and negatives. आप अगर चाहो positives में focus करना, but you will still, you can't ignore the negatives. But you should not let it affect you. It does. Subconsciously, we are human beings. अगर आपको कोई आकर कुछ बोल रहा है, if they are saying cuss words on your face or just writing on your feed, you will feel bad. But don't indulge yourself too much in it. Huh? Just move on. It's easier said than done. But हाँ, वही करके हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं.
Are you guys someone who, after a take, you go back and check the monitor? Do you guys do that?
I do at times. I mean, there are actors who say that I don't watch myself.
Correct.
But you know, I feel that it's this is my point of view that it's a technical profession.
Yeah.
बहुत बार कैमरा इतना क्लोज हुई हो. I mean, of course, I trust my DOP and my director. But कई बार डायरेक्टर और DOP भी आपको बोलते हैं कि ये फ्रेम आकर देख लो एक बार कैसा. And it doesn't bother me.
Correct.
मैं ऐसा नहीं हूँ कि मैं फिर देखकर ऐसा सोचूंगा कि मैं ऐसे करूँ एक्टिंग और ऐसे करूँ.
You don't get self-critical.
I don't have a profile कि मेरी ये प्रोफाइल अच्छी है प्रोफाइल. तो I mean, of course, लोगों का होता है and I respect that absolutely.
Yeah. Nobody was harmed in this
As I
line.
said, मेरा नहीं है, but लोगों का होता है and I absolutely respect that यार.
मैं नहीं देखती मॉनिटर बिल्कुल, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत डर लगता है. मेरी पहली थी तो मुझे ये टेंशन था. अच्छा, मैं अपने आप को लेकर बहुत अनबायस्ड हूँ. मुझे पता चल जाता है क्या ओवर एक्टिंग कर रही हो यार तुम. तो
50 रुपए काटो.
हाँ, क्या 50 रुपए काटो इतनी ओवर एक्टिंग. तो मैं इस डर से ना देखती ही नहीं थी मॉनिटर. Until and unless one day channel sat with me and they said कि नहीं देखना ही पड़ेगा आपको, एक बार देखो तो. So for the first time I watched in front of Dhiman and so when I said यार सही एक्टिंग कर रही हूँ मैं तो. बिल्कुल और एक्टिंग नहीं करी मैंने, क्योंकि मुझे अपने बारे में पता चल जाता है कि मैंने कर दी है.
And इसे एक बात नहीं पता कि ये हर प्रोफाइल से ब्यूटीफुल है.
हाँ, मुझे ये रहता है कि
Cover up है
ये वाली प्रोफाइल
Cover up है.
हाँ, मुझे ये रहता है कि मेरी ये वाली प्रोफाइल ले लो. अगर बैठने का सीन है ना तो मैं ऐसे कर देती हूँ, मिहिर सारा इधर बैठ जाना, मैं उधर आ जाऊँ.
Oh God. You know, there's also this whole debate about why PR culture is too much right now, right? पहले के ज़माने में कहाँ होते थे? Actors would do their job and picture चली तो चली, नहीं तो नहीं चली. But अब there is so much PR pushing, right?
Yeah.
Do you find it as an absolute necessary since you guys have just stepped into the industry?
It's not an absolute necessary. I mean, I'm not very active as a PR person. As in my PR team is not, I don't have a PR right now. But I think it's important in today's generation because social media और digital का generation है. So लोग आपकी films का trailer देखकर और ये देखकर आप कहाँ जा रहे हो. ये interviews we are doing now.
Correct.
पहले इतने नहीं होते थे, आजकल सारे
आजकल
interviews हो रहे
तो-
हैं because socials भी हो रहे हैं, interviews भी हो रहे हैं, which is important because
Right.
आधी दुनिया अब phone is such a gadget कि आप कहीं भी लेकर जा सकते हो and people are up to date. So they have to know about. But I kind of miss previous times जब थोड़ा mystery रहता था. जैसे राजेश खन्ना की लाइफ देख लो and देवानंद की लाइफ में mystery थी, तो वो stardom था कि उनकी लाइफ कैसी होगी. आजकल तो हम सब कुछ दर्शा देते हैं, which is you have to show. हाँ.
पहले आता था कि न्यूज़पेपर में जितना बोला है बस उतना ही we know. We can't dwell much into it, right? But now I think everybody knows everything about you guys. What's your take on this?
But these days I think social media is a fact, तो उससे बच तो नहीं सकते हैं. And PR का लेके मेरा ये thought है कि यार एक story आप सुनाएंगे वो अलग तरीके से लगेगी, मैं सुनाऊंगी वो अलग तरीके से लगेगी, और कोई और सुनाएगा तो वो अलग लगेगी. तो आप एक स्टोरी का नरेशन अच्छे से सुनाते हैं या बुरे से सुनाते हैं, वो बहुत चीज़ें आपकी लाइफ में वो करता है. तो आई थिंक नरेशन, हाउ यू नरेट योर स्टोरी टू पीपल इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो आई फाइंड सोशल मीडिया वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग इन दिस कि मैं कुछ भी कन्वे कर सकती हूँ. मुझे कभी भी कुछ फील हो रहा है, आई कैन टेल पीपल एंड आई एम कनेक्टेड टू द एंटायर वर्ल्ड. सो मैं उसको इंटरनेशनल भी ले जा सकती हूँ, मुझे ले जाना है. सो मैनी
खुद का PR है इसके पास.
हाँ, मतलब
कंटेंट क्रिएटर है.
Great,
एग्जैक्टली.
yeah,
और
it's great.
अब मतलब रील्स में अगर मैं बिना किसी लैंग्वेज के बनाऊंगी, इट्स इंटरनेशनल.
Yeah.
Everybody can understand it without any dialogue. I can make it reach to so many people.
So many
Yeah, and I would just like to correct what I said. I mean, I said I don't have a PR, but as I said, थोड़ा बहुत ज़रूरी है बहुत. अभी फिलहाल नहीं है, but I had a PR. Then you know, on and off चलते रहता
phase is there,
है. When you have a project, जब
Correct.
project आता है तब you enroll for a PR,
correct, yeah.
which is important as I said.
Important, yeah. And also with so much out there in the industry, right? Movies and OTT shows and all of that. What is your measure of success? Because अभी box office पे तो release नहीं हो रही है कि we have a number to put to it. But for you, is it the kind of love and feedback that you get in your DMs, or do you look forward to the metrics that is given by the OTT platform?
काम आ रहा है इज माई मेजर ऑफ सक्सेस. काम आ रहा है, सही कर रहे हो तुम लाइफ में कुछ.
Yeah, getting work and being on set, of course, is a success. That's how we measure success. But I think, having said that, box office also plays an important role for me because that's how work will get you more work. If you are giving those numbers to the producers, that's how it'll translate to more good work for you. So I mean, वही अगर लोग आपके प्रोजेक्ट को प्यार कर रहे हैं, if they're watching it, then of course the numbers will increase.
Correct.
So it's all
और
related.
इतने अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट कभी-कभी नंबर्स नहीं लाते.
Yeah, true. So that's what I said. I mean,
So बस आप अच्छा
creative-
काम कर लो, वही कर सकते हैं.
Exactly.
आप अपने
Because
कंट्रोल में
algorithm
वही.
नहीं
हाँ,
पता
हमारे
होगा.
कंट्रोल में वही है.
Correct.
Because it's such a gamble filmmaking.
I
You never know
right? You
कि
never know क्या चलेगा.
क्या नहीं
हाँ.
चलेगा.
Yeah, true. I can't wait to watch Pyar, Paisa and Profit. But before I end this conversation, एक छोटा सा rapid fire खेलेंगे. Now Radio Nasha I told you is retro, right? तो retro rapid fire खेलेंगे. So all your answers need to be related to retro before 2008. Okay? All time favorite actor तो आपने बता ही दिया है. Female actor कौन है? All time favorite.
रवीना टंडन.
मधुबाला.
कौन सी favorite film है रवीना टंडन की?
अखियों से गोली मारे.
My God. He's stuck. Okay, for you?
मधुबाला. मुगले आजम.
Mughal Azam. Okay. For each of your characters in this movie, if you know hypothetically कोई retro actor कर सकते थे आपका individual role, तो वो कौन होता?
Wow.
पूजा भट्ट in my role.
Yeah.
Interesting, yeah. That's
Even Saira Bano would have fit in my
Yeah,
role.
that's
She was very classy.
Come on, Mihir.
Zeenat Aman. Sorry, I'm coming with more
We
नहीं,
can,
please
like-
मुझे एक भी नाम यार. And of course there are such great actors यार. I think बच्चन जी का वो range इतना अच्छा है. तो हाँ बच्चन जी कर सकते हैं अभिजीत प्ले.
So cool. Okay, if you could be part of any retro film, that hypothetical situation, which one would it be? That you wish I was a part of this film?
मुगले आजम.
मैं
जब प्यार
देवदास.
किया तो डरना क्या.
देवदास.
Devdas,
Both
no?
देवदास.
Yeah.
दिलीप कुमार साहब का भी and शाहरुख सर.
I just visualized Mihir with in the role of Shah Rukh Khan. Okay, great.
favorite character.
Films that inspired your idea of romance?
मुगले आजम. बेबाक मोहब्बत.
I would say Rockstar recently because मतलब मैंने फिर देखा था re-release जब हुआ था. And I also messaged Imtiaz sir कि when it released I was 13 and it again released post 13 years when I was 26.
Wow.
मुझे तब कुछ समझ नहीं आया था. But once you go through that phase of heartbreak and everything and then when you miss that love
Yeah.
and what you can the what extent you can reach for that love. So वो चीज़ अभी समझ आई दोबारा देखकर.
इवन
And
तमाशा भी बहुत लेट समझ आई.
हाँ यार.
क्या
that
डायलॉग
is
थे
so
उसके
true,
so
so
strong.
true.
मुझे उस टाइम पे लगा था
नहीं,
क्या
क्या-
है ये.
Yeah.
और
सबको
इसे
ये लगा
आके
है.
लगता है क्या है ये.
If you guys are stuck on a deserted island and entertainment के लिए 4 films चाहिए आपको, कौन सा होता है? आपका अखियों से गोली मारे तो है ही and मुगले आजम for you I'm guessing.
मैं हूँ ना.
Okay.
मुझसे दोस्ती करोगे. तारा रंपम
वाह.
That's a good choice, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
I love it.
एंड कलोराव.
यार मुझे जब ऐसे कोई
I love
पूछे ना तो मुझे याद ही नहीं आते कुछ. एक तो आपने बता ही दिया.
हाँ.
दूसरी would be I would say कल होना हो
Okay.
and then कोई मिल गया. 3 हो गए ना
हाँ, 3 हो.
और 4 बोलने हैं.
एक और.
I would say तमाशा.
Tamasha.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All the best. I can't wait to watch this and looking forward to all the things that you're going to do in the future. Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Radio Nasha.